Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're talking about ARC8. Now, for the people that might not know what ARC8 is a competitive game platform where essentially you have to verse players around the world to try and get the best score with the choice of playing multiple games to win cryptocurrency tokens. Now, the token in question that you'll be winning is called the GAMEE token. At the moment of this recording, these GAMEE tokens are worth 14 cents each. When I last covered ARC8 on this channel, I could swear everyone those GAMEE tokens were easily like 30 cents and above. The highest they actually were about 3 or 4 months ago was 60 cents. So at the moment, these GAMEE tokens have plummeted. But that's a representation of the cryptocurrency market as a whole at the moment. For those who do not know, cryptocurrency is not going through the best of times. Ideally, by the end of this year, everything should be on the up and up. But right now, things are looking pretty rough. By the way, everyone, please remember to hit like and subscribe. Be sure to drop a comment and join my free newsletter. Link is in the description below. Now, at least here in Australia, ARC8 has changed a lot since I last covered it a couple of months ago. In fact, ARC8 at the moment currently only allows you to verse players in a one-on-one competitive mode with practice tokens. So, at least here where I live, I can only verse you guys out there staking my practice tokens instead of my GAMEE tokens. I'm not too sure what's going on there. I'm assuming it has something to do with the new season that has just started, but I really do hope they bring back this feature because I thoroughly enjoyed betting against other players to see who comes out on top to win GAMEE tokens. On the flip side of things though, for you guys out there that might not want to invest any money into ARC8 by buying GAMEE tokens, you can now win these tokens completely free by just simply entering the tournaments that happen every single day, every 2 hours. From what I've seen, everyone, ARC8 now allows you just to enter with these practice tokens, and in return, if you score a high enough score throughout these tournaments, you will actually earn GAMEE tokens completely free. So this does allow for a whole new opportunity for you guys out there that want to give ARC8 a try but are too worried to lose any money, which I can see the benefits of course, but I personally loved versing players to try and double my GAMEE token. That was actually the big fun for me. Something that is completely new to ARC8 though is the G-bot system. Now guys, G-bots allow you to actually enter the NFT universe through ARC8. Something that's absolutely crazy to me is that they finally have rolled out these NFTs, guys. This is for people out there that want to take their cryptocurrency earning to the next level, okay? In fact, right now, if you own one of these G-bots on ARC8, you can actually enter daily tournaments for the game Skylords that is actually included with ARC8 directly. The buy-in is completely free, so it will cost you no GAMEE tokens, and the prize pool that gets split up between the G-bot owners is literally over 3,350 GAMEE tokens, which at the moment roughly translates at least into 469 real life dollars, everyone, with the current price of the GAMEE token right now. From what I've personally seen, each of these G-bots differ in value, so you can have some that are extremely rare by opening up these G-bot packs. I've seen G-bots for thousands of dollars on the OpenSea marketplace, and if you don't know what OpenSea is, it's an NFT marketplace where everyone buys and sells their NFT products. These little bots are all unique in their own ways as well, and they all have different stats also. I'm personally going to be getting involved with ARC8 a little bit more in depth on future videos when it comes to the NFT side of things. I just need to get myself set up. It seems that ARC8 is really encouraging you guys out there to be active on their platform because there's things called daily tasks. You can log in once a day to activate a login streak that then you can earn these practice tokens on for free that then you can go and use to earn these GAMEE tokens through the tournaments. But not only that, you have the daily challenges as well, where ARC8 might ask you to join 8 matches in one single day to then earn 0.2 GAMEE tokens. Or you might even get a challenge just to win 3 matches to then get a GAMEE token reward as well. So it really does seem like the main focus now of ARC8 is towards that NFT project they have going on with the G-bot Metaverse. I hope you enjoyed this little update video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'll catch you all tomorrow for the next money making video on the channel. See you next time.